So the style that I'll be using today to style my hair and hold my curls is by Tresemme, their Flawless Curless Mousse. I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair and moisturized it earlier today, so I'm just going to take my cap off. I'm going to take these twists down that I placed in my hair to keep my hair from getting matted. Alright, so now I'm going to make a part on the right side of my head here with my rat tail tooth comb. Right there. Now I'm just going to use my hands to place my hair into sections and clip those sections away. So I'm going to start rolling my hair on the left side of my head here. Part off a section here. And make all the parts on my head like medium size sections. Clip this away. Part it down right here. Get this little section off here. This aloe vera chunk from my hair. Finger detangle a little bit. And I'm gonna add some mousse. Shake it up. I'll add about that much mousse. Rub it in my hands like so. Rub it down the strands of my hair. Get it through all through there. Rub it down. Paper bag that I'm going to use. Tear out a piece from the bag. About that much. Fold it up like so. Take the hair and wrap it around the paper bag. See if I can come a little bit closer. Place the paper bag up like this and then roll it around. Roll the hair around the paper like so. Some more up towards the scalp. Take the ends of the paper, bring them together like so, and twist the ends together. And you should have something that looks like a little bit like that. So I'm just going to repeat this process of applying the mousse through my hair and down my hair strands and tearing off a piece of the paper bag and using it as a roller. So now I'm just going to turn on some music and I'll be back once my whole head is done, and I'll show you what all of the paper rollers look like once they are applied to my hair.
take my time. Don't fight that cushion, yeah. Let me blow your mind. So doesn't it?
Alright, so now I have all of the strips of paper bag in my head. I am now finished. I am going to let this dry overnight. I'm going to place a satin bonnet or scarf on my head. I haven't quite decided which one I will use, but this is how my hair is looking with all of the strips of paper rolled into my hair. Alright, until tomorrow. Alright, so here it is the next day. I let my hair dry overnight. I'm just going to remove this satin scarf. Now this is what my hair is looking like once it has dried overnight. With the strips of paper bag that I used. Now I'm just going to take these strips of paper bag out of my hair. So this is what the first curl is looking like. Now I'm just going to proceed and remove the others. Alright, so this is what the curls are looking like once I have removed all of the paper bag strips. Now I'm just going to add some oil to my hand and separate the curls. Add a little bit to my hair to give it a little sheen. Alright, now I'm going to get a pick and pick out the roots of my hair. Gel. Alright, so this is my paper bag curls. So, until next time, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up the video, and please press the notification bell button so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Until next time, bye.